Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to flush your DNS cache on your Mac. It's easier than you think. The first thing we need to do is open the Terminal app. There are a bunch of ways to do this, but we're going to use the Spotlight search. Just press Command and Spacebar at the same time. Now type Terminal and hit Enter to open the application. Okay, once the terminal is open, we just need to copy and paste two simple commands to flush that DNS cache. These commands are designed to clear the old data and refresh the system. Here's the magic. The first command clears the DNS cache, and the second restarts the DNS cache service on your Mac. We're going to highlight both of these commands. You'll find them in the description below for easy copying. And copy them by pressing Command and C. Then jump back to the terminal and paste them in by pressing Command and V. Alright, almost there. Once you've pasted the commands, hit Enter. Now, the system will ask for your Mac password. Go ahead and enter it. Don't worry, it won't show up as you type. After you've typed it, hit Enter again. As you can see, the commands have been executed and your DNS cache has now been flushed. Great. Now that we've done this, you can quit out of the terminal. And that's it. You can now go ahead and start using your Mac just like you normally would. Hopefully, you'll see some improvements in your browsing speed or connection stability. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. It really helps us out. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Rome Tech for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.